guys, we're back with another video, and this video is another cooking with LPK. And this time we're gonna be cooking with these ingredients, and we're gonna be cooking a quiche. At Thanksgiving dinner, it'll be delicious. Alright guys, so first thing on the list is heat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So first we need homemade crust. Next we need 5 eggs, 1 cup half and half, which means half milk and half cream. So that would mean we need half cream and half milk. 1 cup whole milk, ricotta cheese. Ricotta cheese it's an Italian cheese made from sheep, cows, goats, or Italian water buffalo. Milk, yeah. So all of those produce milk, and I do not know what a water buffalo is, but I think it's a buffalo underwater, right? I'm sure it is. Buffaloes can swim. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 bell pepper diced. 1 small onion diced. 1 cup chopped baby spinach, and 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese. Those are all the ingredients. So what I've been dying to do is put 5 eggs in. Oh, and there's perfectly 5 eggs in there. What a coincidence. Die, egg, die. Ooh. The yolks are splitting. That's probably not good. Oh, I thought that was a shelf. Last one, you will die with your brothers. And we already have the bell pepper, onion, and spinach chopped up, so we don't have to worry about that. And next thing we have to do is 1 cup half and half. Okay, it's a half a cup of cream and it's a half a cup of milk. That's our half and half. Next is in a medium bowl, beat the eggs. Okay, yeah, beat the eggs. We've done this before, and I love it. So you guys might want to watch this. Yes, die, eggs, die. Okay, right now what you're seeing is a special egg beating cam, so enjoy it.
Oh my God!
And that's the end of the egg beating. We need to add half and half ricotta cheese and salt and pepper to the bowl and mix them together. And then
ricotta cheese.
I've never tasted ricotta cheese by itself, so let me taste it. Nope. There's it. I'm not excited. Nasty. So I'm gonna do most of it. Just whisk it. Okay, looks good. Actually, first, let's clean our work area just a little. Because a chef needs a clean work area to have good food. That's what they say, don't they? We have way too much, so I'm just gonna scoop it in and fill it up until about this line right there. Let me let it spread out to see if it's good.
No!
What? Boom. Sprinkle the rest of the cheese on top of the quiche. The rest of the cheese, sprinkle it. Who said sprinkle? I'm yeeting it. Yeet. Well, now I have to mix it up. Because that did not... And it'll probably cook there. Now, don't worry guys, we'll clean the rest of it up after. Now, bake for 40 to 50 minutes. So we'll do that, and we'll be right back after that.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so I was the reason my face and hair is all messy and red is because I was outside skateboarding. If you want to check that video out, it's coming out soon, unless you're in the future from this day, because, you know, you could watch this tomorrow. But right now, this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good. I'm not going to be trying it because I have to bring it to Thanksgiving feast, but you can feast your eyes instead of getting the taste of it.